Hello, I'm Michael Piacenza with Advantage Pest Control in St. Petersburg, Florida, where fleas are a big problem. I was asked the other day, how do I get rid of fleas in my home without using a flea bomb? I'll tell you the truth, I don't like to use flea bombs at all. I don't advise using them, and I don't use them in my practice. Okay? What I like to do is attack the fleas in a very safe and natural way. I utilize a boric acid dust mixed with a botanical dust from EcoSmart, and this attacks the fleas from the egg and the larva stage. Now the bombs are primarily going after them in the adult stage, and they're going to have something in it like a permethrin, which is relatively safe, but it's throwing it up in a gaseous form. Plus it's settling down not just on the floor and on the couch where the fleas might be, but also on your countertops and everywhere else. So when I need to do an adult knockdown, I use an adulticide that's basically a similar product. It's permethrin based with Precor for a growth regulator, but I apply it myself and I'm spraying it directly on the surfaces. This way I get to control where it goes. If the animals get up on furniture, I can pull the cushions up and spray under the cushions and on top of the cushions. I can spray around their beds. I can spray on the rug that they like to lay on, and those types of areas. And the other areas that you want to keep clean, primarily around the kitchen and the food preparation area, you really don't need to worry about that. I mean, how often are you going to have fleas on your countertop? So I really don't like using the bombs. It's just it's the easy man's way of doing the job. Kick off a bomb and leave and hope for the best. You know, I prefer to do things the safe and natural way as much as possible. In fact, if you can live with the fleas for 30 days, in an area where the dust can remain on the floor, that alone can take care of the problem. You're just going to have to go through a couple of generations of live fleas to get through to it. Alrighty, well, I hope this has been helpful for you. I'm Michael Piacenza with Advantage Pest Control, coming to you from sunny St. Petersburg, Florida.